Let me tell you a story. You think that impossible things can happen? Miracles.
I can never forget what I saw.
I'm so sorry, I don't actually know your name.
I'm Jesus.
The Chosen is the first ever multi-season series about the life of Christ.
I'm here to start a revolution.
With millions of viewers worldwide, The Chosen has become a global phenomenon.
Episodes viewed more than 200 million times on all 7 continents. The series has been translated into 9 languages and subtitled in 50.
It's getting rave reviews.
Millions of people around the world are hooked.
For believers and non-believers alike, it is a fascinating series.
There's something in this series for everybody.
Your fame is spreading. The good kind.
This is the largest crowdfunding media project ever, is that right?
We ended up getting over $10 million from over 19,000 people, which shattered the all-time crowdfunding record.
Wow. This is different. Get used to different.
It's like through the roof how many people have watched this show.
That's wild.
I mean, millions upon millions of views.
Think of the biggest things that a television show can do and you dream about that. But then there's no space for cinema premiere.
I mean, the success is really phenomenal. We talk about this. Your release of season 3, episodes 1 and 2 in the theaters, you're beating the Hollywood films, almost $10 million on the opening weekend. That's astounding.
You may be on the 4th row, but Jesus, this one's yours, The Chosen.
What we're doing here will last for generations.
I was one way, and now I am completely different.
Anybody with a pulse will have something that they can relate to in this series.
Follow me, and you'll see more.